creamy, historic, and right in the heart of Malaga. Get ready for the best ice cream in the city. Through the beautiful winding streets of Malaga's Old Town, making our way to our very special destination. Here we are on Casa Mira on Calle Larios. This iconic spot has been serving up sweetness since 1890 and it is a must visit. Step inside for that classic old world charm. Today we're going for a total classic, their famous rich pistachio. Let's get our ordering.
Do you like it?
Very nutty.
You're nutty. Okay, what's your final thoughts?
Very creamy, very nutty, delicious. Yours?
I really like it. But I think I would have preferred Kinder Bueno.
Kinder Bueno? Oh, what is that? Is it like a Kinder Joy bar?
Yes, look at him dancing.
Love his handbag.
Ooh, there's the sun, red carpet sun, eh?
I'm full.
What do you mean you're full?
I'm full.
We've only had 2 sips of this.
Okay, 2 sips. I'll hold the camera while you sip.
We're finished.
With the pistachio in hand, it's time to take this treat for a small stroll down Calle Larios.
We're walking Calle Larios in Malaga right now. What? One of the most famous streets in Malaga. Full of shops, ice cream shops, makeup shops, bags, clothes, sweetie shops.
Everything you can think of.
Look at the biggest sweets that I've ever seen in my life.
There's nothing like a Casa Mira ice cream with the view of the cathedral. For more, visit SpainOnFoot.com and follow us on Facebook, IG and TikTok. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.